National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, Central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 40 miles southwest of Myers, or along a line extending from 20 miles southeast of Greeley to 40 miles northwest of Lehman, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Are also possible with this line of storms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lac Bowie, Hudson, Bennett, Keensburg, Byers, Manila Village, Prospect Valley, Strasburg, and Roggen. Precautionary, preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In Colorado, Central Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northwest of Keensburg to 8 miles southwest of Byers, or along a line extending from 20 miles southeast of Greeley to 40 miles northwest of Lehman, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Brief weak length spouts are also possible with this line of storms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lac Bowie, Hudson, Bennett, Keensburg, Byers, Manila Village, Prospect Valley, Strasburg, and Roggen. Precautionary, preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, Central Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, Central Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northwest of Keensburg to 8 miles southwest of Byers, or along a line extending from 20 miles southeast of Greeley to 40 miles northwest of Lehman, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Brief weak land spouts are also possible with this line of storms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lac Bowie, Hudson, Bennett, Keensburg,